The mic is closer to me, so hopefully you hear me better. Even if I mumble, because I know I do. Oh yeah, I gotta get bullets. Okay, first order of business is to put these grabs to use and fly to a floating island. Even if I die, it'll be easier to get my stuff, because it'll just fall down somewhere. All I have to do is look at the map. Oh yeah, I was gonna build houses. I'll do that after I do the floating island though. Right, time to go. Nice. Interesting. Okay, I immediately found one. Oh shit, this is bad. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. These harpies do a lot of damage. Okay. You dumb bitch. You really tried it. Well, actually, I think I did it with mine on the clouds. Really? It's really? Are we serious right now? I risked my life for that. Okay, I'll go the other way. I think before I end recording, I want to at least be dying in King Slime. I think I'm well beyond prepared now. The three things obviously I want are Star Fury for a better sword, a horseshoe, and a red balloon. I can't get all three of those, I at least want to check two of those off the list, because I know I'm at least likely to get 2 items checked off the list. Okay, I'm at the jungle now. Still haven't found one, that's interesting. Whoa, 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 okay. Good, haven't found a sky lake yet. Please, don't give me an... Oh, thank you. Jesus Christ. You know, it's fine, I'll take it. It doesn't prevent me from dying of fall damage, but you know what? It's fine, I'll take it. Alright, cool. Perfect. Okay. Yes! Yes! Okay, I didn't get a Star Fury, but it's fine. I still have another grab too, so... Okay, you spawned in, you know... Oh, it's probably a sky lake. There's no way I got that lucky. Wow, okay. If I get a Star Fury, I'll be so happy. You know what? Thank you, you know it's medium core, you know I'm gonna be suffering, so thank you very much. I haven't found a single gold chest yet. How? I don't think I have unless I trashed it. Oh yeah. Still got some work to do here. Great. Oh, you... No, do not do that to me. Okay, well, I think now would have been a great time to fucking have some rope. Should not do this. I should not do this. Alright. Oh, fucking God. That sound is horrific. Okay, there's a bat immediately, that's fun. And there's a wall creeper. Okay, this is looking like a good area to start building a house. It's also looking like a good area to die, so, you know, that'd be... I prefer to just build a house, you know, even though it's boring. I prefer to not die. Frog egg. Frog egg. As you can see, I'm tired. Jesus Christ. Stop. Dude, this summon is actually being annoying. There's a boulder that I'm gonna immediately get rid of because I almost stepped on that. Now, dude, right here. Right here is where I'm gonna build it. don't fucking do this. Fucking, I hate that debuff with a passion. I hate that. I hate the confused debuff so much. Work that bunny. I think there's some gold right there. Yep. Cool. Making painless, pretty much. Cool. This is gonna be a pretty short episode, I think. I think there's an ult to this, but I'm not entirely sure. There it is. Cool. Alright, where am I gonna build this? I think to the left over here, because it's really not preferable to do it over here because I risk the corruption. If there's one thing I can't fucking stand during boss fights, it's having to deal with enemies, man. That is the most aggravating thing ever. Nothing pisses me off more. So I'm just gonna try and avoid the corruption. I'm making this arena to the left. Oh, no, I don't want the angler. Get out of there. Let me give him one of those shitty ass speed houses. Exactly what this piece of shit deserves. Fuck it. I'm gonna end this night off with a bang and fight both of them. Which I'll definitely need a platform for, so I'll just go ahead and make that. I'm also gonna even out this land. Buff time. Okay, gotta be careful of the King Slime. You can just spawn on top of me and it will not end well for me. Did he despawn? Don't tell me he despawned. Oh, for fuck's sake, don't tell me he despawned. Oh, really? Oh, great. I was gonna get hit by a star. Okay, never mind. Let's just adjust this. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oof. Oh, jeez. What's up, dude? And for the love of God, don't make him despawn this time. Also, don't let him spawn on top. You! Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ, man. What a great start to this. I didn't need boss for this. This is actually a really easy boss fight. I'm gonna just like stay away and grenade him. These guys will strip his ass. He hits hard. I mean, I guess if you were to have like a slime as big as him just flop on top of you, would not be a good time. I feel like if you were to actually make, I know there's a comic coming out of this game, but I feel like it would be such a manhwa type thing. I don't know, or like one of those like weird. There you go. It'd be like one of those weird older time, like mythical type things. It has slimes, it has weird creatures, it has a lot of cool different classes, it has, it's like, it'd be like classic type mythical adventure. I think that's kind of what they were going for, to be honest. Can I get a slime? Oh, come on. And let's see what this fuckhead has, which is probably nothing, and then I'll just end it. Alright, I should have put the bat statue on the platform. No. No. Can't afford that, and I wouldn't buy it anyway, to be honest. I'm not an idiot. As a core, I think it's like, no, it's 12. Goddamn. Where's the middle of the platform? Like right here. Okay, cool. Okay, well, that's about everything I wanted, so I'm out.